welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing the body kit on the Jetta. Alright, so here it is. We got the front bumper, rear bumper, and the side skirts right there. So, and obviously the hood. And the pins somewhere over there. The fenders have not come in yet, so I'm going to wait for those. But I think what I want to do today, at least, is get the front bumper on and the rear one on. I'm not going to do the sides yet because we have to touch up this rust. This is just surface rust. There's no real holes in it. There might be a little one right there, but this thing is completely, I can stick my finger in there. So I'm gonna wait to do the side skirts till I get the fenders so I can line those up nice down here. Alright, so let's get into it. Alright, now you can see I got the front bumper off completely. It's pretty easy. There's a bolt there, there, and there, and then it's attached all along here on both sides. Yeah, now we're gonna fit the new one on there. Alright guys, so you have it. It is on. And all I did so far is just zip tied it in those spots, and then underneath, back underneath here. So this is just temporary until I get the rest of it. There's still fenders coming and side skirts and all that, so that'll do it for right now. Probably do the rear bumper or something tomorrow. Alright guys, day 2. So time for the rear bumper. Now I don't know how easy this is going to be to take off, but I will show you what I do along the way. Alright, so far we have to jack up the car and take the tires off because you gotta get back in here, undo these, and there's a 2 underneath here, and I think there's more underneath the tail lights, so we'll have to take those off as well. You can see it do both sides because it's the same thing on both sides. There's bolts and stuff all along here we gotta take off, but once it's on there, it'll be nice and secure on the front. I didn't secure the front one as good as I'm gonna do the rear one because I'm still waiting for the fenders to come in. And once those come in, then this whole thing, the whole front end will be solid. But right now, that's just hanging by some zip ties. All right, so let's take this bumper off. Alright, now we got the rear bumper off. Like I thought, there was a bolt underneath the taillights on each side. There's also these bolts under here. Mine did not come out, so I just cut the plastic. I'm gonna saw this off so it's not rattling around. But the new bumper won't wrap underneath here. It's gonna basically hang from here. So all the way along this edge and then down there. So this thing will be pretty solid when we're done with it. Time to fit it up.